went through the process of looking at this active listings widget. We kind of dove into it, some of the features and stuff that's in it. I don't really want to go all the way through that again, but one of the things that we discussed was whenever you click into this this expand feature right here, it pops up and displays more detail about your active listings and elements within that listing piece. One piece that I'm still adjusting is the days on market piece, allowing you guys to pick which field that you want to use as the calculation start date on that. So that will probably be released either tomorrow or the following or on Monday. So hang tight on that. If you don't like the way it's currently set up, we're going to give you the ability to change that. I just didn't get that thoroughly tested, and so I didn't push it. But right now it goes off of the listing date itself. So if the whatever day it is from the listing date, number of days is the way it's currently calculated, will allow you guys to pick which date instead of the listing date if you want to choose something else. But what we have done is we talked about last week about adding the print feature. So now you can come up here, click on the little printer button. It'll go through, let you pick numbers of pages and all that kind of stuff. If I just save it to a PDF, to a file, you can do that, or you can send it to your printer. And then once you hit save or print, then it will create an actual printable PDF. See all the basic information and stuff that's on there. Along with that then is the actual currently active listing details based off of whatever status you chose to pick and choose from. Not a whole lot of extra detail or anything like that from what the main widget itself does, but at least it can be printed and you guys can do with what you want. If you guys have additional things that you want on this chart, that's the feedback or the input that I want to hear. Any kind of extra numbers, things that you guys typically track, any kind of key indicators, those types of things are things that we can put on here very easily. It's just a matter of knowing what you want. Having the price statistics, listings over time was kind of the things that I've taught and trained in some of the training that I have done with agents, and making sure that they know where their price distribution is and the days on market. But